Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about what to do in case of an emergency. Your solenoids go out or something goes out like that while you're riding down the street and you're slammed on the ground, you can't move. So I'm going to show you how to bypass your solenoids to basically make it so you don't get stranded where you're at. So, alright, so first thing, you've got your solenoids, you're going to need some jumper cables, okay? Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your ground is off before you do anything. You're going to want to take one side and you're going to want to connect it just to the post right here very carefully, making sure that it doesn't touch anything else. Second post, you're going to want to hit right here. And if you're only running 2 or 3 or 4, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that it's on the far left and the far right side. Make sure that it's in there really good. Then you'll want to have somebody standing close, and you'll want to hold these just like this, and as soon as somebody else connects your ground, you'll want to go ahead and tap these together. Now what that's going to do is it's going to completely go around these, send the power through here to go to your pump, straight from the batteries straight to the pump. So now it is going to spark, and it's probably going to arc, and it's probably going to mess these up, but that's okay. At least it's not messing up your pump or your batteries or the posts or anything like that. You've got some guys that will take a jumper cable and go straight from the battery straight to the pump, or vice versa, one or the other. They'll grab it and they'll hold on to it and tap the pump, and what that's going to do is it's going to end up arcing the post and causing it to basically be unable to screw something back onto it. So you'll want to do it this way, because this, if it destroys anything, it'll just already destroy your messed up solenoid. So once again, tap it, it'll lift it slowly. Now if your batteries are dead, it's not going to make any difference. If they're 100% dead or something like that, it's still not going to lift it, and that's your issue, not these. So this is an emergency situation. Don't do this on a regular basis because it's not good for your setup. So hopefully that helps, and that can get you from not being stranded on the side of the road.